Hi, my name is Reagan Hale. My course number is CGS 2100. So today we're looking at our BizCafe results. And on our first sheet, we're going to look at first is net income versus revenue. So each week, both the net income and the revenue increased. But as you can see on the graph, the revenue increased much faster than the net income. Next, over here, revenue versus cup sales or cups sold. With this graph, the revenue and the cups sold increased and decreased. As you can see here, it goes up, 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 then it decreases, increases again, decreases, stays the same, increases, decreases, increases, increases, increases. Same with our revenue. Increases, up, increases, decreases a little bit, increases again, decreases, increases, and decreases. But as you can see, with both the cups sold and with the revenue, they seem to stay in sync pretty much. So the revenue kind of increases more here, but then it decreases down with the cups sold, and then it increases again with the cups sold, decreases again, and increases again, all the way up, and then here's where it's a little different. It decreases down, but the cups sold just increases. Next, we're going to look at competitor sales. As you can see, all of the cafes from week 1 to week 13 increased. So we came here at week 1 all the way up to week 13. And all of the cafes increased. My cafe, Cup of Joy, well, it's not the worst one, it's definitely not the best, but as long as my sales here each week are increasing, I'm happy with the results. And lastly, here on the dashboard, we compare all 3 graphs. And as you can see here, all 3 graphs pretty much are increasing each week, which is good. So net income versus revenue increases, competitor sales increases, revenue versus cups sold. This is the only one that decreases a little bit, but on the smaller version of the graph, you can see it's pretty much increasing. And that's it. Thank you for listening.